Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the run capacitor on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need access to the back of the refrigerator. We'll also need to disconnect the power. So the easiest way to do this repair is to pull the refrigerator forward far enough that we can unplug it and also access the lower compartment panel. Now, with the back panel removed, our next step is to release this spring clip that holds that run capacitor and the start device to the side of the compressor. So using a pair of needle nose pliers, you can grasp that wire retainer and we'll lift it out of the hole on the top of the housing here. The easiest way to replace this is to remove that whole device as one piece. So just rock it back and forth to unplug it from the compressor. And pull it out through the opening where we can remove that capacitor. So we pop the old one off, and then we'll line up the two male pins with the start device, and also line up that hole with the locating pin. Press that firmly down onto that start device. And we'll need to retract that clip. We want to make sure that the long arm of that, there's a hook on the end of it, and we're going to attach that in the round hole in the bottom of that bracket on the side of the compressor. Now, you may find it easier to put that retaining clip in after you remount that start device and capacitor. We also want to use caution while working around this tubing. We don't want to damage that, kink it, or anything like that. We need to line up that start device so that the single pin is at the top, and that will line it up with the compressor. So position it over those male pins on the compressor, and then press it firmly into place. Now we'll attempt to engage that hook on the bottom in the opening on that bracket. You put it in sideways and then just pivot it upright. You'll find that you can actually hook that quite easily. Tuck it in underneath that tubing, across the top, and tuck it into one of the holes on the top of that bracket. Well, that will hold that whole device tight up against the compressor to make a good connection. Then we can put the back panel back on. We're now ready to push the refrigerator back into place, reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.